Big and small, high and low, rise and fall, now you know. Sing along, join the show, that's how opposites go. I say up, you say down, I say smile, you say frown, I say fast, you say slow, that's how opposites go. I say open, you say close, I say friend, you say foe, I say quiet, you say loud, that's how opposites go. Big and small, high and low, short and tall, now you know. Sing along, join the show, that's how opposites go. I say first, you say last, I say old, you say new, I say stop, you say go, that's how opposites go. Big and small, high and low, rise and fall, now you know. Sing along, join the show, that's how opposites go. I say short, you say tall, I say shiny, you say dull, I say cold, you say hot, that's how opposites go. Big and small, high and low, rise and fall, now you know. Sing along, join the show, that's how opposites go.
Hello friends, today we're going to learn about opposites. They're like word buddies that mean completely different things. Big, small. This is big, and this is small. Can you find something big near you? Fast? Slow? This car is fast. But this snail is slow? Fun fact, snails move only about 1 foot per hour. Open. Close. The treasure chest is open. Now it's closed tight. Up, down. The airplane goes up. And the stairs go down. Cold. Hot. This snowman is cold. And the sun is hot. Always wear sunscreen on hot days. Short. Tall. This flower is short. And this one is really tall. Old. New. Here's an old teddy. And a new one, right out of the box. Smile. Frown. Look, the sun is smiling. But this cloud is frowning. First, last. This medal is first. And this one came last. Stop. Go. The red sign says stop. The green light means go. Left. Right. The arrow points left. And now it points right. Quiet. Loud. The owl is very quiet. But the trumpet is loud. Rise. Fall. The balloon rises. And the leaf falls gently down. Heavy. Light. This rock is heavy. But this feather is light as air. Day. Night. It's day. And the sky is bright. Now it's night and full of stars. Wet, dry. The sponge is wet and the towel is dry. Happy, sad. This face is happy. And this one is sad. Soft, hard. This teddy is soft. But this block is hard. Empty, full. The box is empty. Now it's full of toys. Clean, dirty. This shirt is clean. And this muddy shoe is dirty. high, low. The kite is flying high, and the ball is sitting low. Near, far. The cat is near the basket. Now it's far away. Push, pull. We push the door open and pull it closed. In, out. The ball is in the box. Now it's out. Sharp, dull. This pencil is sharp, but this crayon is dull. Sweet, sour. This candy is sweet, but that lemon is sour. Above, below. The kite is above the tree. The roots are below the ground. Strong, weak. This bear is strong, and this sleepy one is weak. Quiz time! Let's test what we've learned about opposites. What is the opposite of big? Small. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. If something is full, what's the opposite? Empty. What's the opposite of fast? Slow. If the arrow points left, what's the opposite direction? Right. Learning opposites was so much fun. Want more fun learning? Subscribe to JollyJube and explore new things in the most joyful way.